What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Wes, Human Crack in the Flesh, and this is Kicks from Wes. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Tap that bell notification so you'll be notified when I post videos. And if you like this video and you want to help out the channel, leave a like, man. I would appreciate it. And comment down in the comment section. This is going to be how to buy the 350 V2 Yeezy in the clay colorway, man. So, I'm going to give you guys some tips and some tricks as far as for people who are new, and this might be your first time going after a Yeezy V2 or just a Yeezy in general, and maybe you don't know the little tips and tricks as far as trying to get that one step up on the competition out there and copping these shoes. Now, I'm going to say this first, disclaimer that the people that I mentioned in the video, these companies, they did not pay me to advertise them whatsoever. This is just the methods that I go through as far as trying to cop these shoes, and I'm going to share them with you guys, and hopefully they could help you in your process and copping as well. So for the first tip is with these sneaker apps out here, Finish Line, Champs, Chic, Hibbett Sports, Foot Action, Foot Locker, you know what I mean? Go ahead on the app, search your local area, see if your local area is getting the shoe. Go ahead and do the 10-minute check-in thing. If you can't get to the store, there is a place on Twitter that I follow. It's called Check-in Codes, man. Go over to Twitter, type in Check-in Codes. Now, this feed and this page on Twitter, what they do is they update the check-in codes. So basically, what you can do is you can put another code in from a different state, a different city, and then change it back to your state and your city where you live at, just to get that extra check-in time because you can't get to the store. So I advise you do that as well. That's another head start for you, and it adds on to that time. With the 10 minutes that they give you in the app, that is very crucial because that could potentially lead to you catching a W, man, or catching an L. And then I'm going to give you an opinion here that I feel like it also depends on how you buy within that store. So it goes like this. If you go to Finish Line and you spend a certain amount of money and you get the platinum status, same thing with Foot Locker and Champs. If you get the platinum status, it gives you a leverage over people who just got general status, gold status, and below. So if you got that platinum VIP status, that's another step up over the competition that can help you. So head over to Check-in Codes on Twitter, find out that new check-in code, and if it's one that was 2 hours ago, then wait till a new one come out because that one has expired. These codes don't last that long. They just last for maybe an hour. And you can read the feed and you'll see people commenting saying, hey, this code worked. Oh, nope, this code don't work no more. So you got to wait till a new code pop up. So you type that code in, and then like I said before, change from the state that it says it's in or the zip code that it gives you and change it to your zip code. That'll give you that extra time. Another one is if you want to take this route. Now, have I ever took this route? No, I haven't. But I've seen other people that I know take this route, and that's with the Auto Cop group. Basically, it's a cook group who has a sneaker bot, and what they do is they use the sneaker bot to cop the shoes. And all you do is you pay them a little fee to cop your shoes, and then you'll get your shoes in the mail in a couple of days. So that there is another way for you to be able to get your pairs without going through the hassle with sitting online for 2 hours, 3 hours, however long it takes for you to be able to get the shoe, you know what I mean? Because you're doing it manually, and you know the box is just like that, quick, fast, in a hurry, you know what I mean? Less than milliseconds, faster than a human hand, you know what I mean? It's a computer program. So that's another way to go, you know what I mean? Or get out here and do some networking. Go to some of these stores who doing the sign-in raffles. I don't know too many stores that's doing it nowadays, but you know what I mean? The ones that are still doing the sign-in raffles, go ahead, fill a raffle out. Speak with the manager. Say, hey, you know what I mean? I really want this shoe. And if you could look out for me, I would appreciate that as well, too. You know what I mean? But that's just another source of trying to get these shoes here. Now, this is not the clay. I just wanted to throw these in the video because this was the last pickup of mine. And I have them. So this is the static colorway. I don't even need to break this out. If you want to see the video on that, you could go ahead and click that video. And if you like that video, you can give that video a like as well. I'm just giving you some little tips and tricks on how to buy this upcoming release. That release on the 30th. And what's the matter, boy? Yeah, I'm shooting a video. Wait a minute. So yeah, let me get back to what I was saying. So that was another tip. Now I mean the Auto Cop group. The last tip that I just gave you was the one going to the store and speaking with the manager and seeing that they're doing the sign-in raffles. Now I mean getting the little raffle tickets. That was that. And the last one is going to be, you know, hey, if you're running a paid resale, then go ahead when they release on the 30th and just skip all that and see what the price is going on StockX. Now, I got my phone right here, and I'm going to check. Even though it's early, now I mean, these shoes ain't dropped yet, but I'm pretty sure it's pairs floating around already. So, you know, yeah, guys. So, and sneakers, well, Jordan Jumpman 23 just said that the Travis Scott ones will be releasing on May 3rd. So that was a notification that I just got. So, for the prices right now for these Clay V2s, for size 4 is $469. That's too much. I wouldn't even bother. 4.5, $465. Too much. Wouldn't even bother. From 4 to size 6.5 is in the 4s, in the high 4s, man. So the highest is $469. From 7 all the way up to a size 13 is between $385. So that's the highest. So I'm pretty sure that these prices is going to drop, you know what I mean, when the shoe release, because more pairs is going to be available and a lot of people just going to be trying to make a quick buck. And you know what I mean, that's just how it is nowadays. A lot of people don't even rock these shoes, man. They just want them for a resale, and it's not even much on the resale value because they have continuously put out pair after pair of different colorway after colorway. So I feel like if it was limited like before, back in the day when they first came out, then it might hold some value. But now since they dropping colorway after colorway, then it kind of decreases, and so it makes it more easy for people to obtain these shoes now. And that's what Kanye's mission was. He wanted people to be able to obtain these shoes. And so, you know, that's what it is. So that's my little tips and tricks. I hope you guys liked this video. I didn't want to take too much time of your day. Last but not least, this came in the mail recently. I just wanted to share with y'all. Know what I mean? Another Supreme cop. We got that Supreme dropping first thing in the morning Thursday. This video was shot Wednesday night. You know what I mean? And I had to get that good old waist bag. You know what I mean? Just a little waist bag or whatever, and nothing too much. But yeah, man, I'm gonna be going after a couple of pieces tomorrow on Supreme. Hopefully I could be able to hit, you know what I mean? And if you're going for something on Supreme too, good luck to you, man, and salute to you. Hopefully you get through and get what you want. And hey, that's gonna be it, man. Until the next video, it is your boy Wes, human crack in the flesh, and this is Kicks from West. Stay fresh and stay blessed, and I'm out. Peace.